Turkish Adana Kebab. Recipe Adana Kebab is a popular Turkish dish. It is a spicy minced lamb or beef kebab served with pita bread salad and garlic yogurt sauce. Here is a simple recipe. Ingredients. For the kebab: 500 g minced lamb or beef lamb mix, 1 large onion finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For the garlic yogurt sauce: 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste. For the salad: chopped lettuce, tomato, onion, pickled peppers optional. Instructions. Preheat grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. In a large bowl combine beef lamb onion garlic cumin, paprika cayenne pepper salt and black pepper mix well. Knead the mixture for 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and sticky. Shape each portion into a long thin cylinder. Grill for 5 to 7 minutes per side or until cooked through. Meanwhile, prepare garlic yogurt sauce by mixing yogurt, garlic and lemon juice. Serve Adana kebab with pita bread, garlic yogurt sauce, salad lettuce, tomato, onion, pickled peppers, lemon wedges. Tips. Use 80/20 or 70/30 lamb to fat ratio. For juicy kebab, adjust cayenne pepper to desired spiciness. Traditionally, Adana kebab is cooked on an open flame or Mongol Turkish grill. For an authentic touch, serve with Turkish-style pita bread, crusty outside, soft inside. Calories per serving: Adana kebab 350 to 400. Garlic yogurt sauce 100 to 150. Salad 50 to 100. Its nutritional information: per serving 4 ounces or 115 g. Calories 320 to 400. Protein 25 to 30 g. Fat 20 to 25. Saturated fat 8 to 10 g. Cholesterol 60 to 80 milligrams. Sodium 400 to 600 milligrams. Carbohydrates 10 to 15 g. Fiber 2 to 3 g. Sugar 2 to 3. Lamb Adana kebab: protein 26 g. Fat 24 g. Carbohydrates 12 g. Beef Adana kebab: protein 22 g. Fat 20 g. Carbohydrates 10 g. Asterisk tips to reduce calories: asterisk. Use leaner meat, beef or chicken instead of lamb. Reduce portion size. Grill or bake instead of frying. Serve with vegetables or salad instead of bread. Use herbs and spices to enhance flavor instead of salt. Enjoy your delicious and flavorful Turkish Adana kebab.